Hi friends, I welcome everyone in the Usitility channel. Today we'll discover how to download and install the Might and Magic Era of Chaos on PC, therefore, we can begin to play with keyboard and mouse even on a big screen. No need to stick your eyes on tiny display, but it's the time to play Might and Magic Era of Chaos on PC. I'll install this game on my computer to show you all the necessary steps. Without having further delay, let's take the start. To install this specific game on laptop, we've given a link for you in the description of the video. You will see this link. This particular URL will take you on the page of the Might and Magic Era of Chaos in the BlueStacks app. BlueStacks is a software to install any Android game on PC, and so we are going to install the Might and Magic Era of Chaos in this manner. BlueStacks runs as an emulator, and using a keyboard and mouse, you possibly can play any Android game on your laptop. We select the Download Might and Magic Era of Chaos for PC option and the downloading starts. It'll go in Downloads, look at. We click this file to open it. Windows the 10th of May require permission. To proceed to install, simply accept the terms. Now I minimize the browser to ensure that I will only focus on the installer. Now I am going to select the directory where I want to install this game. The directory is often chosen by just pressing Customize the installation. As a way to continue, click here on Install Now, and game installation will start. It's going to only take several MBs from the memory of your computer system to download this particular file. Determined by your internet connection, it'll be faster or slower. It will then set up the emulator on your desktop. The installation is completed. It's the first time it will open BlueStacks, so it's going to make some configurations, which it's only going to do now. Next time it's not going to take too long to start. Keep the eyes to the video for the reason that we're going to clarify a crucial step now. We should get access to Google Play. Let's click on Sign In. Sign in once more, and it'll request us the information to log into Google Play. You cannot continue to install the game without sign in because it's a Google Play game. We have now clearly described this simple step, therefore, we will skip it in this video. Just wait, and we will simply log into Google account and see you after this step. Now we have logged in Google Play. To carry on installation, we accept the terms by clicking I agree. It tells us that if we want to create a backup of our device in the cloud, we select No, you do what you would like. Observe that this specific device is like a mobile phone or a tablet, and it'll provide us with the option to save a backup of the files within the cloud in the event we lose it and wish to recover it. We accept it, and it will quickly go to Google Play. Click this arrow to exit the emulator and go to your desktop. On the screen, the icons of BlueStacks and also BlueStacks multi-instance will appear. The first icon is actually to start BlueStacks. Now we will go to installing the Might and Magic Era of Chaos. Let us check out Google Play and then click Install. Now, you will see, my laptop is downloading the Might and Magic Era of Chaos. Determined by your network speed, it will take more or perhaps less time. I'll be back after that step to save your precious time. Hence, it's already finished downloading. And as you can view, it's now created another icon on your computer's desktop, Might and Magic Era of Chaos, which will allow us to connect to the game without having to go to the BlueStacks. Starting the game on a laptop or computer is super easy. Click this icon twice, and there you go. We might launch the game from here, but I'll teach you how you can do this if we get started in BlueStacks. Please click here to start the Might and Magic Era of Chaos and enjoy it. Here is the keyboard setting if you want to configure it. For the time being, the configurations of the keyboard look okay, therefore, we are not customizing. Do you want to enjoy the game on the large screen? If yes, there are two ways. By pressing here on the Maximize bar, the screen will be maximized. Even so, if you need to get a 100% large screen, then this particular option is not suitable. By clicking F11, you will get a 100% full screen for this game. If you have a powerful computer, then it will take better aid gaming within an emulator. We will now immediately check out how you can alter the language of the game. We simply click this cogwheel here. We will go to Preferences. In the drop-down menu, pick the language you're looking for. And that's translated. Now we are done with installing the Might and Magic Era of Chaos. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumb up, like it, subscribe if the Usitility channel is useful, and any comments you've left in the comment box, and we will reply. We hope that you liked this video tutorial, and we'll bring a lot more fascinating stuff for you all. Bye.